Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? As we have studied about the Muslim scientist earlier, so today I am going to tell you about Abu Musa Jabir bin Hayyan. Jabir bin Hayyan is without any doubt one of the greatest Muslim scientists who lived in Baghdad in the 8th century and wrote books about alchemy. He studied alchemy but also wrote about practical things. For examples, making steel, how to dye a cloth, leather making, cloth waterproof, protection iron with varnish to stop it rusting, and making glass and a hair dye. He died at the age of 94 in 1815 AD in Kufa. It is claimed by some authors that he was a prolific writer, authoring 300 books on philosophy, 1300 books on mechanical devices, and hundreds of books on alchemy. This very large body of Arabic writings, many of them highly tantalizing, pass under the name of Jabir bin Hayyan. Here are some of his books: Kitabul Rahma, Kutubul Mewal Intaha, Kitabul Sabeen, Kutubul Mauzeen, Kitabul Khams. Among his other significant books were Kitabul Zahra, his books of chemistry, including his Kitabul Kimia, Kitabul Sabeen, translated into Latin, and various European languages as well. One book he wrote, Kitabul Ahjar, was written in highly historic, incomprehensible code understood only by those initiated into his school of alchemy. Now you can see in this picture he has a laboratory where he has done so many experiments. Jabir is credited with the introduction of experimental methodology. These include crystallization, calcination, sublimation, and evaporation. Other achievements include preparation of various metals, developing of steel as I discussed with you earlier, waterproofing cloth, and use of manganese dioxide in glass making. Now another scientist, his name is Al-Idrisi. Al-Idrisi is best known in the West as a geographer who made a globe of silver sphere weighing 400 kilograms. He traveled many distant places, including Europe, to gather geographical data. Some scholars regard him as the greatest geographer and a cartographer of the Middle Ages. His more important contribution is the creation of map. The Arabs developed fast trading, and for those trading developments they need the maps. The Indian Ocean and the Far East gathered by Islamic merchants and explorers and recorded on Islamic maps with the information brought by the Norman voyages to create the most accurate map of the world. Al-Idrisi is best known in the West as a geographer who made a globe of silver sphere. Early maps of India, the geography of another Alexandrian geographer, Claudius, is the most well-known early work in geography. In his geography, he describes a world map and 26 regional maps of Europe, Western and Southern Asia, and Northern America. He drew a map which divided the earth into 7 areas according to climate. Each area was divided again into 10 parts of lines of longitude. That's all for today, children. Thank you very much.